In this video, we will see code generation and deployment to the Arduino. This is for our LED sequential lighting. So dive into the now this is the model which we have developed in our earlier video. And as you can see, this is the simple state flow, and the state flow outputs are connected to the Arduino blocks. So these are the pin 3, pin 4, and pin 5. These 3 pins we are using in the Arduino to connect to the LEDs. Now we need to prepare this model for the code generation and deployment. So you can click on the small gear icon and automatically select the model configuration parameters. Once it loaded hardware board, you need to select the Arduino board for which you are developing the software. Now once everything is selected, go to the code generation optimization. Here you can tune the optimization levels. I'm leaving everything as is because the optimization level is already set to maximum and priority is balanced RAM and speed. Now click OK. And you can see the little star icon beside the model name that indicates the model has unsaved changes. So save it. And once it is saved, you can see the little icon on the toolbar that says deploy to hardware. Click it. So what does Simulink do when after clicking that? The Simulink checks for the syntactical errors in our model, and whenever it identifies any syntactical errors, automatically Simulink pops up error window with the detailed information. You can read the information from the error window and you can try to fix it. But if your model doesn't have any issues, automatically the code will be popped up like this. Click on the controller.c. You can see the code generated for our developed model. And you can see a lot of functions, a lot of variables. All these are automatically generated by the Simulink. So we call this auto code generation. So Simulink automatically generates this code. After generating the code, it creates the hex file, whatever required for our microcontroller, and it copies the hex file to our microcontroller. So all this process will be automated using the Simulink. So develop the logic in graphical way using either Simulink or Stateflow and deploy it to the hardware board we have. So this is a nicely generated code. So I hope you enjoyed this lecture. We'll meet in our next lecture.